Hey guys, welcome to Drive to Wrench. I had the good old Fazer Mark II rally version out for a little rip, trying to do a speed run today. That's the video that I'm going to show you here. It's basically futile. These tires, guys, are not bad off-road, as you'll see in the next video that's coming up after this one. They're pretty fun, guys. It's not that bad for driving in dirt, kind of a rally track type situation. Maybe a buggy track, a 10 scale buggy track, that type of thing. It actually, works not bad. But speed runs, you're going to see they were futile, guys. I could not get this thing wound up at all. I had one clean run. There's a note in the video before it where I got about 40 kilometers an hour out of it clocked, and nothing to get excited about, obviously. I was having trouble with I'm using an old phone with a speed logger app, and I couldn't find the one that I used to use that I really liked, but this one was not good at all, guys, and I was having trouble where it was crashing my phone. So whatever, it is what it is. I couldn't get a clean reading in it. I'm pretty convinced it wouldn't have been very spectacular anyways. Maybe, I don't think I got more than about 60 kilometers an hour out of it, 35 mile an hour type of thing. Nothing crazy at all. It just gets super snaky with these tires because they balloon, and one gets big and then it goes squirrely and you can't recover, and yeah, it's an adventure. Also running these 3D printed front arms, guys, and as you can see, there's a lot of tumbles in this video and in the off-roading one that's coming up, and nothing broke. All the 3D printed back suspension's still fine. As you can see, it's pretty dirty, but nothing to get too concerned about there. So I'm still waiting on those road tires that I ordered. They're in the country somewhere, but they're taking forever to get here. So I think I'm going to switch back to the stock motor and ESC because it's much more drivable. It's still pretty fast, but it's not stupid. You actually have low end power and that nice torque, so it's a lot more drivable, guys. It'll still flip over if you try to wind it up, but I mean, this thing is just snaky with the brushless setup, guys. When the power comes on, it comes on stupidly hard, and it's just very difficult to drive, guys. So anyways, enough babbling. This is just a couple of quick speed runs, like I said. Not very exciting. There's some crashes. There's some signs that you can see of how fast it actually is capable of going, but like I said, with these tires, difficult to actually get it out of it. And for what it's worth, guys, these are basically the same diameter as buggy style, either off-road or street tires. So with some buggy tires, this thing actually I think will go pretty fast. So, and again, with a cheap setup, guys, not trying to go insanely fast, just seeing what we can get out of it, have some fun. So there you go. Enjoy the video. Drive to wrench, or wrench to drive.